They're wanted men. Cornelius and Percy Peak. Cock.
Hey, Ryan, any idea who those people in the letter are?
No, but Javi's trying to track down the lady who the letter was sent to. I'll keep you posted.
Yes, posted. Keep us. Thank you, Ryan.
Eyes back in their sockets, Cowboy. We got a murder to solve. Now, who is this Clyde fellow, and why did our victim have his letter? And what does any of this have to do with the Peacock boys?
Good questions, and I know who has the answers.
You do?
The same person who always has the answers in Westerns. The affable, all-knowing barkeep.
He must have found Clyde's letters after her mother passed.
Yeah, and that's what started her quest. Now, according to the map, the stream used to be right around here. I think. Maybe. I don't know.
Castle, what are you doing?
I am tracking Whitney's path to the gold
And how are you doing that?
by staring at the dirt. That's how they do it in all the old Westerns.
Yes, because they're cowboys. You're a New Yorker. An Easterner, a city slicker.
Yes, and because I'm a city slicker, I can tell you with absolute certainty, Whitney was here.
How? You don't know how to read tracks.
No, but because I'm a New Yorker, I know how to read litter. Check this out. Charred, wax-covered cardboard.
Whitney must have detonated the dynamite nearby. We're close.
Ah, we're there. Back in, look at this. There's gold in them there hills. Hey! Guess you got Ryan's message.
Castle, I leave you alone for 5 minutes and you end up in a showdown.
Yeah, well, good thing I married the fastest gun from the East.